Hey beauties, it is your girl, Jessica Nicole. And as you guys can see, I'm starting off this video looking real hurt. Okay, I got a scarf on because I'm trying to snatch these edges because sis is putting on a wig today. Okay, she put... Every time I do like these little quick get ready with me's, I always put like a snippet of me singing songs and stuff like that because that's literally what I do when I'm getting ready to go out. I listen to music the entire time from beginning to end. So today will be just like that. Just FYI. It will be literally snippets of me singing songs just because I do not want any copyright issues on my video. Just saying. And before we get into this video, because I did not get to last video, shout outs to the gang. Alright. Shout outs to my notification gang. You guys are popping as hell and you guys always shout yourselves out in every video, even if I don't get to shout you out as my notification gang. So shout outs to my notification gang from the video before last and from last video. So yeah. Let's just get ready to go. I can't high up your love, I don't know how to say it. Don't worry about those other girls. They can't take my place. Yeah. Girl, you're everything to me. Just let me show you. Just let me show you. Feeling my love. The kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me. Even though I won't see how you put it in me, I can't let you rest on me. You get the bag and fumble it, I get the bag and flip it and tie. Cause I wanna see you fun. I feel the money. I might just let them find me. Never trust a big butt and the smile work the Ronnie. Here on your real burn, only see my black ass right in front of your right. Put some smurders in the flag wrapped around my neck. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Let's go. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you do me a top on me. Money tough, money face, money brain, concentrate. I perform by the case, kill a read, but the list, stick it when me, I'm bracing on you. Pussy like I'm at the scaling on you. Like I said, it's a middle place. Hold up your gun, make it bustin' on me. Read me one, read me, they coming on me. I just like you. Girl, I take man for food. Take man for you, that stop chat. Jumping on my car, make a snap like a snap back. Really top down and I'm on the we said we made it alone. Hey, yeah, she like that. You cannot get the money, do your bite back. Why not run, come, sit down on it. Sit down on it, a girl, sit down on it, a girl, run, come, sit down on it. I want give it to ya. I want give it to ya. Remember that here? I want give it to ya. Remember that? I want give it to ya. Hey, I travel to the south and then we lose to find you. So we say, you think how you come my way? How you do, like that. Wine and ginger. The mom is no wine, but I'm gonna play it. I drink wine and ginger. The mom is no wine, but I'm gonna play it. 30 million for the account, yo. Where you have on? Versace and Gucci. For your body, yo, baby. Money fall on you. Banana fall on you. Banana fall on you. Cause I'm in love with you, yeah. I tell them, suave, just so come suave. Jump in a Gucci, jump in a Versace. Without any seed, and now we could talk about it. We say I'm with me. That's my wife, that's my wife. The beat for the love and the beat for the light. Beat for the love and the beat for the light. Beat for the love and the beat for the light. Make them know success now come up. I'm gonna sit you in the car, catch up with me, honey. Come be friend in my back party. You can't say no man can me. Hustler, baby, you know that I'm me. Fuck some rich star, y'all like Gwen Stefani.
You got punk by your throat, never slash. Pussy where you know about boost cause a ash. M1 rifle strap on for my block. Crack your skull like calabash. Should I like that? Hold them, hold them, hold them, hold them, fully back to hold them, 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 hold them. Love and body, free, 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 free. While I'm a live for me name and a talk and one. We fuck y'all love and one. Fresh cash, fresh cash, fresh cash. Every Friday gone, the Friday come back. Alrighty beauty, so I am finished getting ready. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys want to see more of these, just let me know. I'm about to go slay my boyfriend's life. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on all social media. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.